Good afternoon to one and all. So now today we will discuss topic is call money. So just a brief introduction of the call money. What is meant by call money and what are the other markets also there in that part of financial institutions. So here the what is a call money market. So here the what is meant by call money market? Nothing but it is an integral part of the Indian money market. For example, the call money is one of the part of the money market. One of the part of the money market. Okay. So here why we can study the call money market? As I told you in the beginning that money market and capital market is one of the financial institution in the financial market. So when you are studying the financial market, so in the financial market there are two types of market, mainly the money market and capital market. So here what is meant by money market? Money market deals with the short-term transactions, short-term deals, simple, nothing but day-to-day surplus, nothing but short-term, nothing but within 1 year. Within 1 year. So therefore, so within the money market we have the call money. Within the money market we have the call money. So here call money market, nothing but is an integral part of the Indian money market system. So where day-to-day surplus are traded. Day-to-day surplus are traded. Nothing but, for example, the call money market is a market. So it is one of the part of the Indian money market where day-to-day transactions, day-to-day surplus are traded. Nothing but day-to-day transactions. For example, when the bank has some money, surplus money, what it can do? Simple. Where there is some money needs. So simple, that money will transfer from one bank to another bank. For example, that is the surplus are traded. For example, if I am going to give an example, see. So here, see, for example, when you are going to the bank, for example, see, this is the bank. Okay. For example, you need to withdraw some money. For example, you deposited 50,000 rupees in last year. For example, you want to withdraw 50,000 rupees. For example, the bank has only 30,000 rupees on today because you deposited in last year. You deposited in the last year. It means, for example, in the last year, for example, 2020, but you want to withdraw 50,000, whatever you deposit some money. But the bank it doesn't have money 50,000, but it has only 30,000. What it can do? What it can do? So what it can do means simple. So you have the right to withdraw the money, but the bank doesn't have. Therefore, the bank will consult the other banks, other near banks. For example, here is the SBI. So therefore, the SBI, for example, if you are taking account in your village, for example, in your branch, simple, they will call to the surrounding bank of SBI. If they have the surplus money, so simple, for example, if they have the money, so therefore this money will be transformed to this bank, or else this money will be sent to this bank. So this is a day-to-day surplus are traded. This is called call money. Simple, they will call to this bank to verify whether they have the money or not, excess money or not. If they have the excess money, simple, they will send to this bank. For example, if they don't have the surplus money, what they will respond? Say they don't have the sufficient funds, or they don't have sufficient amount. So therefore, this bank will call to the another near bank, that is another SBI branch. So they will call to this bank and they will come to know that whether they have the money or not. If they have the excess money, so simple, they will send to this bank. So after receiving this money, for example, 20,000 or 30,000 or 40,000, whatever they require. So simple, after getting this money, simple place, they will add this money to this money and they will give to the concerned customer. They will give the concerned customer. Have you understood that? What is the money market? Call money, sorry. Yes. Sonalika, Srilata, Sarupa. Yeah. So here money market lent for 1 day. So it is nothing but call money. Day time is only 1 day. Simple. Call money time is 1 day. It means why they have taken only 1 day? Yeah, anybody can tell me that? For example, in the day, every day, the bank will receive the deposits, right? At the same time, they will withdraw. So simple. After getting some deposits, the bank will repay to this bank. సో ఎక్కడైతే ఇప్పుడు మార్నింగ్ వచ్చారనుకోండి, కస్టమర్ వచ్చారనుకోండి 50,000 విత్డ్రా చేసుకోనికి. సో అప్పుడు డబ్బులు లేనప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తారంటే వేరే వాళ్ళకు కాల్ చేసి వాళ్ళ దగ్గర డబ్బులు ఉంటే ఆ డబ్బులు అనేది ఈ బ్యాంక్ పంపించిన తర్వాత ఇక్కడ సెటిల్మెంట్ చేస్తారు. ఫస్ట్ 50,000 సెటిల్మెంట్ చేసిన తర్వాత సో మార్నింగ్ నుంచి అప్ టు 4 ఆర్ టైమింగ్, బ్యాంక్ టైమింగ్ వరకు ఎవరన్నా వాళ్ళు డిపాజిట్ చేయడానికి వస్తారు అమౌంట్. సో డిపాజిట్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఒకవేళ మనీ వాళ్ళకి వచ్చినాయి అనుకోండి, వాట్ ఎవర్ దేవ్ టేకన్ 20,000 కానీ 50,000 వచ్చినాయి అనుకోండి, ఆ అమౌంట్ అనేది ఏం చేస్తారంటే సాయంత్రం వరకల్లా ఈ బ్యాంక్ అమౌంట్ అనేది వాళ్ళకు మళ్ళీ రీఫండ్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. ఓకే, సమ్ టైమ్స్ if the with deposits are very less, for example they have taken 20,000 another bank, 20,000 తీసుకున్నారు అదర్ బ్యాంక్ నుంచి, బట్ ద డిపాజిట్ has only 10,000 rupees, 10,000 ఓన్లీ డిపాజిట్ అనేది 10,000 వచ్చినాయి. But in order to pay 20,000, they are not able to pay 20,000. So therefore, so they will issue the notice. This bank will issue the notice to the concerned bank. This bank will issue the notice. So therefore, we are not able to refund your amount. So therefore, we will send or we will give back or we will refund within 1 to 7 days. 1 to 7 days. 1 to 7 days is called notice money. Notice money. There is a small difference between call money and notice money. Okay. Have you understood? Mamata?
Yes,
Other people?
sir.
Yeah. So
Yes,
call
sir.
money lent for 1 day. If the banks have not sufficient money to the transaction, the banks will take this kind of loans from other banks. So mostly banks will do this kind of business. Simple, the banks will do the business. For example, ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే చాలా banks అనేది it will do the business. So if the term is exceeded 1 day, for example, as I told, within 1 day or repayment చేయలేని ఎడల, so they will, but less than 15 days, less than 15 days. So here ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తారంటే less than 15 days, it is called notice money. జనరల్ ఏంటంటే వాళ్ళు 1 to 7 days కానీ 1 to 15 days కానీ వాళ్ళు టైం పీరియడ్ ఇవ్వడం జరుగుతుంది by issuing the notice, because so they need to know that whether this 20,000 utilized by this bank or not. So simple, on the base of this bank name, they will issue the notice to the concerned bank. So therefore, within 1 to 7 or 15 days, they will refund to the concerned bank. That is called notice money. Notice money. So call money objective, what is the main objective of the call money? To redistribute the pool of the day-to-day surplus funds. Nothing but redistribute the surplus amount, whatever the bank has. So banks, among other banks, it is in temporary deficit of funds. For temporary deficit. For example, ఏ బ్యాంక్ దగ్గర డెఫిసిట్ వస్తుందో ఆ బ్యాంకును సర్ప్లస్ ఉన్న బడ్జెట్ సర్ప్లస్ ఉన్న బ్యాంక్ అనేది ఆదుకోవడం జరుగుతుంది. సో జనరలీ ద కాల్ షార్ట్ టర్మ్ లోన్ nothing but 1 to 14 days. 1 to 14 days. The term loan, so money lent for more than 15 days is called term loan. So term loan is called if you borrow some money, nothing but the bank will borrow money for more than 15 days, it is called term loan. For example, if the bank borrow money from 1 to 14 days, it is called short term loan. So this is a basic introduction of the call money. Then the third and in the fourth module we will discuss deeply. Okay. Then we will discuss the CDs. The CD is nothing but certificate of deposit. Generally in the banks we will use that is the CDs. CD is nothing but certificate of deposit. What is meant by CD? So it is a short-term borrowing issued by the all scheduled banks or free transferable by endorsement of and delivery. So this CD nothing but it will be deposit, nothing but some amount will be deposited in a certain bank. So it will be issued by the scheduled banks, all scheduled banks. So scheduled banks are the banks which are under the registered of second schedule of RBI Act 1934. That is called scheduled bank. Scheduled banks are the banks which are registered under the Act of RBI 1934 in second schedule. Okay. So here, which are free transferable also. And the series are introduced in 1899. 1989. So what is the time period of the series certificate of deposit? So it is less than 7 days. 7 days means that less than, it is not less than 7 days. Sorry, it is not less than 7 days. Nothing but if you issue the CD which is less than, which is not less than 7 to 1 year, nothing but 7 days to 1 year, 7 days to year, 7 days to 1 year, 7 days to, sorry, yeah, 7 days to 1 year, 7 days to 1 year. That is called series. So what is the commercial paper? So here the commercial papers are known as a promissory note. So anybody know that what is a promissory note? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, anybody know the promissory note?
No, sir.
So generally
Sir.
in the villages, if you need some money, so in earlier days, most of the people are used to take the bond paper. So nowadays, most of the people are taking promissory note. So there is a 1 or 2 rupees. If you pay in the bookshops or some other shops, you will get some note, nothing but the promissory note. It means that there is a contractual agreement. There is a contractual agreement between the two people. Nothing but those who are borrow, those who are given, nothing but saver. Okay. So here the promissory note, it is a short-term borrowing by corporate financial institutions. Corporate financial institutions. So what are the corporate financial institutions? Can anybody can give example? Yes, please. Corporate financial institutions. For example, if you take any corporate institution, for example, if you take nowadays, for example, if you take Reddy Lab, for example, if you take, so Reddy Lab is nothing but one of the corporate institution, not financial institution, but it is a Reddy Lab. So in order to produce some vaccine, okay, vaccine, they need some money. Am I right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So they need some money. Therefore, they will ask the public. They will ask the public. So to give some money, nothing but on the base of rate of interest. So simple, for example, if the public have the money, for example, Sonalika has a 5 crore rupees. So she wanted to give Reddy Labs. So if there is no guarantee, then nothing but there is no belief. Simple, she cannot believe the Reddy Labs. So therefore, they are going to issue that, nothing but they are going to sign on promissory note. Promissory note. So in the promissory note, your name and your father name and the Reddy Lab owner name and their father name, and there is the amount name and the rate of interest and the particular duration also they will be mentioned. So name and some details which are related to the your and whom to you give. For example, Reddy Lab. So Reddy Lab owner as well as their father name as well as some amount. There is some duration when the person when the Reddy Lab will be returned. Nothing but refund it, right? So when there is an agreement like that, for example, when you are taking some money from your relatives, simple they are going to take the bond paper. Am I right? So nowadays they are taking promissory note on the promissory note. So promissory note, they will mention some your name as well as your surname and those who are takers, their name and their father names and their villages and the particular amount, how much amount you are giving and at what rate of interest and when you are going to return this particular amount with principal rate of interest. Okay, so there is a sign and there is a stamp, right? So this will be happen in the promissory notes. So here the promissory note is a short-term loan borrowing by corporate financial institutions. Nothing but the corporate institution will give to you when you give some money. So the commercial papers or promissory note can be issued in the form of physical, not online. For example, so it is physical only it will be issued. So it was introduced in the year of 1990. It was introduced in the year of 1990. So commercial papers or promissory notes was introduced in the year of 1990. So what is the time period of this one? So its time period also not less than 7 days. It means that minimum 7 to 1 year, minimum 7 days to 1 year. So same as certificate deposits and the commercial papers time period is same. Okay. I hope you understood, right? About commercial papers and promissory note, call money, certificate deposits.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.